Welcome student. Capacitance of a capacitor with conducting slab between plates. That is, by introducing conducting slab of thickness T in between the plates, the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor increases by d by d minus t. Let us see what is d and t, where d is equal to, first let us see for the air capacitor. Dielectric is air, therefore K is equal to 1. For air, K is equal to 1. This is a capacitor plate plus Q R plus sigma or minus Q, and it has got a thickness of D, where D is equal to distance between plate. Distance between plates. Distance between plate. We know that this is plus charge will be here, minus charge will be here, and electric field, that is electric field, applied electric field. See, when we apply electric field here, this is a applied electric field. Applied electric field is equal to, what is applied electric field? That is electric field between the plates is equal to sigma by epsilon, is equal to sigma by epsilon naught into K, or applied electric field. Since K is equal to 1, this is equal to 1, sigma by epsilon naught, where sigma, what is sigma? Sigma is equal to positive charge divided by area, or positive charge divided by area into epsilon naught. This is the electric field inside. This is the electric field inside the between the plates inside in with the air as a dielectric. Now let us see if we are introducing a conducting slab. Conducting slab means conductor. So we are introducing in between a conducting slab. This is conducting slab. This is parallel plate capacitor minus Q. Let us write like this. We have inserted here in between the plate, we have inserted conducting slab where K is equal to infinity. So electric field, applied electric field will go like this, and its thickness of the conducting slab is C, and the distance between the plate is D. Now we see electric field here up to here, the electric field will be here, and again here electric field will be here E naught. In between there won't be any electric field, because electric field inside the slab is equal to applied electric field divided by K is equal to applied electric field, K is equal to infinity, so E inside is equal to 0. It means electric field inside is equal to 0. It means in the conducting slab of thickness T, the electric field inside the dielectric is equal to 0, and we can write where E naught, here E naught is equal to, what is E naught? Is equal to electric field in the region where conducting slab is absent, where conducting slab is absent. It means electric field here, this is air, this is also air. So it means electric field is available here, electric field, applied electric field is available here, applied field electric field is available here, but inside this conducting slab electric field is equal to 0. Electric field is equal to 0. It means, okay, now in this case E naught is available where conducting slab is absent. Now we have written for this air as a dielectric, we have written. Now what about the potential? potential, what is potential? Electric field is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by d square is equal to, this d square can be written as into 1 by d into 1 by d. This entire thing is V is equal to V by d, or we can write electric field is equal to potential is equal to electric field into thickness up to which this electric field is existing. This is very important relation here with this, because we know capacitance is equal to Q by V. So if we know V, Q and V, we can calculate capacitance. Now this is A dot is a, now what is the potential here? Potential, see here the potential is equal to potential inside divided by K is equal to potential divided by, because K is equal to 1 is equal to V naught. But here in this case the potentials are different now. What? So net potential when a conducting slab is introduced, what is the potential? So potential is equal to E, because potential is equal to E into D. So here is the place, this is of the thickness D, electric field inside into thickness is T plus, because electric field here into this thickness into electric field in this area, except this area E naught into what is this distance, this is D, this is T, that will be D minus T, because D minus T is equal to this area and this area. So electric field, this potential in the air is equal to E into D minus T. So potential is equal to E inside is equal to 0 into T plus E naught into D minus T, which is, this is equal to 0. What is E naught? E naught is equal to Q by A epsilon naught E naught into D minus T. Now this we have got a potential. What is the capacitor? See here, when air is kept as a dielectric, so we can say C naught. So here the capacitor is C naught. C naught is equal to area of this plate into epsilon naught into K. K is equal to 1 divided by the distance between the plate. This is C naught. What about C here? For this entire thing we call it as C. C is equal to Q by V, charge on the positive place divided by potential. Here the potential is Q divided by Q by A epsilon naught into D minus T. So this Q and this Q cancels, which is equal to A into epsilon naught divided by D minus T. So this is the capacitor when conducting, slab is introduced in between. Now let us find out C by C naught. C is for this one, C naught is for this one. C by C naught is equal to C. What is C? C is equal to A into epsilon naught divided by D minus T. That is for C. And C naught is equal to 1 by A into epsilon naught into D, because C is this here is equal to this denominator. If you put A by epsilon naught, this and this get cancelled, so is equal to D by D minus T. It means we can say C by C naught. C by C naught is equal to D by D minus T, where C is the capacitance of when conducting slab is introduced. C naught is the when air is kept at the as a dielectric in the same capacitor, or we can say C capacitance of this one is equal to C naught into D by D minus T. So D by D minus T. See, we can say D by D minus T is always greater than 1. Why? Because if this is 5, this is 5 and this is 1, this is 5 minus 1 is equal to 5 by 4, which is always greater than 1. So we can say the capacitor, when dielectric conducting slab is introduced in between the plate, is greater than C naught, is greater than C, because this is greater than 1, say 1.5. So 1.5 into C naught, it means the capacitor when dielectric is inserted is greater than the capacitance when air is kept as a dielectric. So by introducing a conducting slab of thickness T, this is the conducting slab of thickness C, the capacitance of the capacitor increases by an amount d into d by t.